What's up everyone? We got a road trip. We're actually on a road trip right now. We are heading to Northern California. We're gonna go check out the Lost Coast. It's been a spot that I wanted to check out for a while now. They're doing their social distance learning. Is that what it's called?
Social learning.
They're doing their social distance learning. They're doing their distance learning right there. Now that'd be cool if I can do some type of work where I could be distance working. That would be cool. If you got any leads, comment below. Yeah, that's distance learning back there. And they are powered by this GoalZero. What's up, GoalZero? You want to sponsor me? Yeah. Alright. But yeah, we're heading to the Lost Coast. We got about a 9-hour drive. And we are currently on the 5 freeway. So we just pulled over for a quick second. Got Doritos all over myself. But yeah, we just took the nearest exit. Maxwell, he's got a math quiz right now. So we wanted to make sure he had internet connection. So we pulled over just in case, so we can take the quiz. Yeah, distance learning. It's kind of cool. Wish I can find a distance working. That would be cool. Good boy. Good boy. What's up, my dog? This is the drive-through tree. All right, so we were trying to drive through the tree, but I think I'm too tall.
Too tall.
Road truck.
Well, we can try on our way back, because I'm sure like Belle and Fred.
Yeah.
Look how big that truck.
That's like multiple trees.
I still want to see it. something ate it already. Maybe one of the seagulls? What's this one right here? What is that?
Feels hard. Maybe it's a plant.
Oh, okay. Maybe you want to pop it with your foot?
Can't pop it. Whoa, cool!
Let me see. Wow, that is a coral. Is it hard or soft?
I didn't touch it.
Touch it.
A little hard and a little soft.
Lift it up. I want to see it. Oh no, it's a part of this guy. Huh? It's a part of it. Go lift it up. See?
But what is this?
I don't know.
Maybe a type of coral.
That's a type of seaweed.
All right, we are here. We made it to the Lost Coast. It's our camp spot. The grill is better, the pan, I mean, would fit back. Well, the grill we can. And the Pacheco?
He's like the size of
The meet and greet right here.
Pacheco's curious. I like.
It's about a over 10-hour drive to get here. Took us about 12 with all the stops. But yeah, it's a pretty cool spot. There's a lot of people. It's not so lost anymore. That's Duke's bed right here. Morning. Sunday, 6 a.m. We just packed up and we are getting ready to roll out. This is the Lost Coast up in Northern California. Been wanting to come here for years and I finally made it. Lost Coast. I'll see you next time. Probably when we do our P&W trip. It's a good middle spot to stop and camp for the night. Okay, so we just left the campground area and now we're airing up. And then that's it. We'll just be traveling home. But I'll catch bits on the drive home. Ayo Jed, how do you air up?
Wipe the air system.
That's right. All right, so we had to pull over for a little bit because you know, the coffee was kicking in. So also other things. My kid was playing Minecraft during all those twisties. So maybe you shouldn't play Minecraft while on the twisties and then you end up being like that. Look at all this, peoples. Do not do this kind of shit.
There's a sleeping bag out there.
This is gross.
Yeah, there's like two right here.
This is gross, people. Look at this.
TP everywhere, right?
Toilet paper everywhere. What a shame.
That's why we can't have nice things.
Shame on you, campers.
Oh, there's like trash bins all over this place.
Yeah, people too lazy. People can't wipe their thingies and throw it in the bag.
The famous Lombard Street. Can I air down? You're good. Gotta go with the 4 low.
We're here, Fisherman's Wharf. Gonna get some crab and some shrimp and some oysters and just like seafood. You want some shrimp, my buddy? All right. Hopefully we can find something open. But yeah. Supreme crab. Hey, that's where I'm gonna go. Eat crab.
And she goes having to.
Yet again, they still can't get max, even anywhere close really, to a car that is capable of 250.